you, don't you?
But I brought her back in here to be like adopted.
At the moment it's kitten season, which means we're overrun with these cute babies, but it also means that we're going to struggle to find them all homes. So I'm here with Lucy and she's the cat's adoption officer. So Lucy, how long have you worked here?
I've been here for almost 3 years now.
Fantastic.
So, yeah.
And what was it that got you first started in this job? How did you?
I've always been interested in animal welfare and you know, got the opportunity to look at rehoming animals, so I jumped at it really.
Fabulous. And how many cats are you rehoming a week or a day?
And it can vary. We have quite, you know, periods and we have really busy periods. At the moment it's quite a quiet period, so
Really?
it can be under 10 a week. But obviously, you know, earlier in the year it was up to 40 a week, you know, up to 40 a month, that kind of thing.
Right. And so, how many cats are you getting in comparison to how many are going out?
Well, we've basically, as soon as a cat's gone out, we get them in again. So we get it completely depends on the numbers of animals going out. We've always got waiting lists of cats coming in. You know, people who've decided for various reasons they can't look after animals anymore, whether it's their moving house or just don't want the responsibility of them. You know, we've always got lots of people waiting.
And do you get them dumped on you as well? Presumably not everybody rings you up.
Lots of strays, lots of animals appearing in boxes outside the home. So yeah, we get that a lot too.
So, do you get many litters of kittens dumped? Do you find that people have a young female cat produces kittens, and then they can't rehome them themselves?
Yeah, we get that all the time, and often the case we get the mums as well. They've decided that they don't want the kittens and the mum. It's too much responsibility, so we get all of them.
What age are your vets neutering cats from now?
Providing they're healthy, they're a good size, and the earliest is 9 weeks. That will spay and neuter the kitten, and basically all the animals that leave the home are all neutered.
So that's really interesting that the Mayhew are neutering their kittens at 9 weeks old. Obviously in private practice with your vet you'll probably be told that your female cat can't be neutered until 6 months. And certainly that's very true, that's what normally happens. But obviously vets are dealing with owners who are responsible pet owners who are keeping these cats safe. Neutering at 9 weeks is becoming more and more accepted now. It's been shown that there's no harm to the kitten and actually they do very well after the surgery. And it's especially helpful for rescue centres who know they're not sending out cats which are just going to add to their problem in 6 months' time and be back with a litter of their own.
Since working here I've realised that people see animals as very disposable. Any problem in their life, whether they're moving house, a new baby, anything, any slight disruption, then they will just get rid of their animal. And basically it's just to say, before you take on an animal, whatever, whether it's a cat, dog, anything, you know, it is a huge commitment. And it shouldn't be something that you take lightly. And there's so many unwanted cats in the world, so neutering is key. And take responsibility, really.
You are. Good boy. This is Hero, and this is Maria. She's the animal care assistant here. And she's going to tell us about Hero's story, which is frankly shocking.
Hero is a year old. He's a Staffordshire Bull Terrier Shar-Pei crossbreed. He was tied up outside to a lamppost for us to find in the morning. He was emaciated, dehydrated, starving, very, very scared. He had scars, new and old, on him. He was very badly bruised and very frightened. He's doing really well at the moment, loving his food. We had him on 6 meals a day to get him nice and fattened up.
And he had his teeth filed down,
Yes,
didn't he?
he did. We think he was used for a dog bait in dog fighting. So basically they will file the teeth down so it would prevent him hurting other dogs when they use them for fighting. They filed them down and probably pulled a few out.
I'm amazed they managed to get him to stay still.
It would have taken a few people
to pin him down.
to
I
do
mean, you
that.
actually have to make a real effort, a real decision to do that, don't you?
I know.
Oh,
It's not good.
baby.
He is still up for rehoming, so we're looking for the right home for him.